Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Yesterday, after the minutes from the RBA's July meeting failed to inspire any renewed interest for the Australian dollar, even though the minutes indicated that further interest rate cuts were possibly seen this year, but not in August. In the heat of the moment, the bulls took the challenge back to the top side of the range of 70, 30, 60, but was soon overcome by the bearish presence after reaching a high of 70.44. From the retreat, the market is now back towards the bottom side of the range of 70.10 and could be holding an engulfing candle or a bearish outside range day, which waits confirmation. A break beneath the level of 69.85 would give further scope to the downside and bring in a target of 69.65 to 69.10 and reassess from there. Any advances should still fail towards 70.30, 60. Looking at the euro, the market took another tumble overnight after better than expected US retail sales come out after increasing by 0.4%. The market is now close to its objective of 111.60.70, with the US dollar index surging back to 97 and now looking for the challenge of that key level of 97.15. Either way, the market is poised for a further test down for the euro and a test up for the US, as the technical indications are bearish for the euro. Reassess from 111.60 as we could be looking at 110.80. A little bit of an inspired bullish move from dollar yen overnight, but nevertheless the market is still contained by the resistance seen at 108.70.90. It is assessed that bears should return from there and look back to the downside of either 107.80 to 107.15. Reassess from there. The pound has now reached its objective of 123.50.70, and therefore I would remain now and sit out and see where the next target will lay. Is it to 121? Well, that remains if we see a break of 123.5. Any advances now sees a cap around 124.70. Gold still a little bit mixed, but bearish as the market looks towards the support level of 1,396. It is a little bit concerning that the technicals aren't rebounding, and with the MACD in bearish or negative territory, could see further pressure in the coming session, with the resistance seen at 1,414. Wrapping up with oil, the market plummeted 3% overnight and now crushing the level of $58 a barrel and exposing the region of 56.60. A break beneath there would give further concern to the bearish case and maybe down to $54. But let's see first of all if the market can take out 56.60. What triggered the 3% fall was Trump has agreed to take talks now back to Iran, and also adding further pressure that China is a long way away from trade talks. This has given a bit of a negative response to oil. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report and hope you enjoy the great start to this new day.